Too close to my face. No, it's not. It's not.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
How much you paid for this?
150 grand. Boy of your boys, BCH. Yeah, I don't know what this thing is called. No idea, but it's some sort of Japanese import, which we're gonna prep for sale. If you're interested in this, I don't know what you're gonna use it for. Available for sale soon. What do you do for a living?
Picking up metals.
Picking up metals, yeah.
I went from a Urus to I don't know what the fuck this is, but yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking pickup truck.
Alright, good morning. Welcome to another episode. We've got another busy one today. We have M8. This one, I don't know if you remember, it had damage on the bonnet, so that's been completed. The front bumper we've had to redo as well. There was some damage on that as well. The wing, and yeah, the customer, while it's here, the customer said, can you also PPF the interior, so the screen and all the carbon bits? So we're going to PPF all them for him as well. But yeah, just got to finish the bonnet off, trim it all. And if you come over here, we've got this Porsche 911 Carrera 4S, I think. Carrera 4 GTS. Yeah, it's 911. Get your full car PPF. So what we've done, just to prep it, is we've removed the rear lights and the rear badging, just so we can get a better finish and an easier install as well. We're gonna also be removing the wing mirrors. If we don't remove the wing mirrors, you have a join here. These wing mirrors are pretty easy to remove. I've removed plenty of them. I can get this mirror off within 5 minutes. So yeah, we're going to take both mirrors off. We're going to take off the trim here, just so again we've got no visible edges on the top. But yeah, this is going to get started today as soon as the M8's complete. And then if you follow me outside, we have our good friend Sammy and our good friend Asad, who's finally in the video.
It's not coming off.
You came off when I done it.
It's not coming.
You know when you can't get the stuff nowadays, man. It's not coming off. Okay, we got the camera out, yeah? If it comes off when I do it, does that mean you're working for free all week?
Even better, lunch on us at all.
Lunch on us all week? Okay, let's see if I can get it off. Come on then. If this comes off, Asad, you're buying lunch all week. Okay, little backstory here, yeah? We had a metal blade that we normally used to get this writing off with, but they've lost it. I don't know if it's Asami or Asad, one of them have lost it, yeah? So now I said, look, you've lost it, so you gotta put some elbow grease in. So let's see if this comes off. Is that coming off?
Yeah, it did.
It's gonna take time, but it'll come off. Okay, so we've just got this brother just left. He actually just uses one of our bays to take his photos. He's a car trader. He pays us just literally just to use the bay. But yeah, that aside, this little thing, which I've got no idea what it is.
Sammy's new car.
This is Sammy's new car. Yeah, that's bad. Okay, yeah. This is gonna get just like a pre-sale prep or engine bay as well, Sammy, by the way. And this time the writing on the window.
I guess what you're saying. It's not coming off.
That's his own fault for losing the blade, isn't it? But between me and you, yeah, Asad's gonna watch this later and you'll find out. I've actually gotten the blade, but I'm not giving it to him. Teach him a lesson. Is that right, Sammy?
Where's Thomas?
He's on his way. Here he is. Oh, the boss is here. Big boss. Sammy just goes, where's Kabar? Kabar's bought a new car.
Looks like you got a new car.
Looks like you got one, is it? Good morning.
Straight away, man.
Go on.
So basically, 9:41. Went and had a meeting in the morning with a very important potential client, and yeah, just come to work. That sounds about right, innit?
Had a meeting in the morning, whatever. Well, rang him at 9 o'clock, he's in bed. Look, we got 4 beautiful Audis there.
3.
Sorry. It's early. Where did 4 come from? Yeah, 3. Okay, so this is one of my PPF blades, which is all rusty, and I'm not using this anymore. Or I use this one, and I said this one is scrap. I'm not going to use this one anymore. Hang on. There you go, my brother. You happy?
Yeah, that's what I
You happy now, yeah?
That's what I need.
There you go. Now please, all of it, yeah? And then this is going to go back inside and get photos done. And then that's going to get picked up quick as possible, because he's waiting for the photo, because his car's already sold. And then what else have we got going on? SVR, which government's picked up from the customer. That is getting... What's that getting? A deep interior clean? SVR. Oh yeah, I want to polish it as well. A level 1 probably, I think. We'll confirm with the customer. RA is getting deep interior clean, I think.
As you can see, started on this car, halfway we thought, you know what, this would be a best example of before and after. So this Audi A6 here is in for level 1 paint correction, and it's also getting a ceramic coating as well. So make sure protection is applied as well. Do you have a bet? You done your turn last week? Suhail, did he treat you? No. So how did you do it?
Sorry?
Nah, he wasn't here. He treated me and Shum.
Well, I think he treated me one day as well. At the start of the week, and cameraman. Where did we go? We got the American food. That was about 2 weeks ago. Listen, Sammy, I got a bet with you.
What?
I bet you can't clean this car in 5 minutes. If you lose, you buy me
5 minutes? It goes 5 minutes, you know, saying. Have you ever cleaned in 5 minutes before? Yourself? When?
All the time. Sorry, I'm taking all the camera here. Okay, this A6, we done a ceramic coating on it about 2 years ago. When I was in that garage, before the unit days, probably about 2.5 years ago, I ceramic coated this car. And then he came to us about a year and a half ago. Basically, we moved into this unit for front end PPF. So then what we've done is we done the PPF at the front end. But what he's done is he's got a business now in the Lake District, so he's very rarely in Birmingham, and he doesn't trust anybody else to wash his car, unfortunately. And he's left the car without getting washed for sort of months on end. And what's happened is you've got water spots that have embedded into the coating. Now with the coating, it does help keep the car cleaner, but it's not magic. It won't stop damage to the actual paintwork. So all the water spots have got etched into the coating, so it's basically ruined the coating. So what we're going to do now is start from scratch again, polish the whole car, get rid of all the water spots, and recoat the whole car for him as well. And then what we're going to do is somehow, we need to figure out a way he can wash his car in the Lake District.
Drive into the lake.
Drive. He said, in case the Mike doesn't pick it up, he goes drive into the lake. We need to find him a mobile detailer in the Lake District, you know, that'll come out and wash his car.
Kind of.
Yeah, you can go to, it's near Oldham. Is the Lake District near Oldham? You can go to Max Revive.
You have to stress me out.
For those that didn't know, Sammy is running off now. Sammy came to me about a year ago. I met you about a year ago, I think.
2 years ago.
No, about 2 years ago. He was going to open up his own detailing business, and I trained him up. He paid me for the course, so I trained him up to my standard. He's probably better than me now, I think. And then he opened up his own business up in Oldham, and then he realised how stressful it is running your own business. He's like, I can't do this. Suhail, can I have a job? That's basically what happened.
In one of the videos when you went there for the launch.
Yeah, in one of my videos, we actually went to Sammy's open day for his launch. So that was actually a while ago, wasn't it? So big up Max Revive.
Guess what came up on my Snapchat? Your opening day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Said, yeah.
Did you come?
Yeah, I was there.
Yeah, he was here.
New drip, Sammy.
I just bought a 20% share with the Suntech PPF. Yeah,
So the big money's coming in, yeah.
that's it.
So you only work on
Next week I'll be in a Porsche.
Okay.
New car coming.
Basically, you can see it's quite cold. You get me. So I was having a fight with the gas canister. It's been it was very cold in the unit for me and the camera. I'm gonna go and refill the gas. We're gonna get some heat in here. So basically, we are heading to this MSV. Let's just say hello to Mr. Singh. Let's get him on camera. He watches our vlogs. He's busy, We'll catch him later. But we'll keep that in the video because
He'll appreciate it.
he'll appreciate it. He loves watching the videos, you get me? We actually are just going now to fill up the gas tank, and my car's at home. This is the biggest car we had. I'm sure they won't mind us just popping around the corner, innit?
No.
We're cruising, we're relaxing. We're on a private road. That's why I haven't got my belt on.
Me and this guy, we finally got to not this guy, he just came now, obviously, after calling him 20 times to help me, give me a hand. Because what time is it? It's 5:30 and I'm still here. I should be in the gym right now.
Why do you need
But-
gym when you're doing this, bro?
But you know what? At least he's come to help me. So let's ram report this car.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
See Sammy, yeah. Sammy's a serious drafter, you know. Sammy's late.
Yeah.
Where's the first clock, yo? This guy is slow, man. Anyway, this is a wrap for part one of day one. Part one of the video.
You know my shower at home. I think it's the glass. I legit think it's been ceramic coated by someone. I swear to God, I'm telling you.
shower's glass.
Bro, the water is fucking dripping off it, like literally crazy, bro.
I think some glasses is made like that.
They probably did it, because they do ceramics, tiles and everything now, as well, isn't it? So it must be that,
What's going on today? Don't ask me, I'm asking you, man.
I'm just dismantling a Porsche. Don't mind.
So far, he's taken the whole back bumper apart. This door card is finished now. But it's alright, because he's done about 1,000 Porsches. So he's just professional. How many Porsches are you using?
You don't do Porsche, there's Lamborghinis.
Sorry, yeah.
Nah, I do Porsches as well. That's my dream car,
Which one?
GT3 RS.
Oh. Sammy, the amount of money you spent on
Inshallah.
you could have bought GTRS.
That's true, I give you that one, Sahel.
When Sammy becomes famous after his YouTube, he's gonna buy me one of them.
With the 3,000 views. I've done a mini detail on the M8.
You want to show us?
And when you come back, you probably get
Just don't come too close to me, come that way.
Here he is. Looking fresh.
We've got this Audi A6. It's had a detail wash already, but we're gonna do an interior detail on it and we'll show you the results after. I forgot to tell the cameraman to do the before and after shot, so I've already started working on this side, as you can see.
What have you done to it?
What have I done to it?
As in, like, what's the process?
What's the process?
Bro, like, what have you done to clean the seats?
So we've restored the leather on this seat, the passenger's one, and also we've done this door as well so far. One, two. So these are the mats for the Audi A6. So we're going to show you the before and after. We're going to start cleaning them. So we're going to start with the Hoover first.
I'll do this big first time I go in, man.
Go on.
And then I'll run away.
Do what?
The mats?
Oh, go on.
No, I'm joking.
He loves doing them.
I've been
so.
doing PPS today.
Just do it.
My head is
You
gone.
sure?
100% sure.
Since you said it now, just start it at least.
I'll just do the lines.
Alright, say no more. I'll do the rest. Let him do the lines.
I'll go to, what's it called, isolation.
I never went to school.
There as well. I was always this Sunday doing lines. So I'm good at them now.
What's it called? I want straight lines. I don't want them zigzag ones.
Nah.
The ones you, yeah.
But it's alright, man.
First thing first, we're gonna spray some fabric cleaner on the mat. So there we go. Here we've got some tar and glue remover, so we're gonna spray this onto this and get this chewing gum removed. We're giving this warning to Aman.